In this video, I'm going to talk about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, so far as core mathematics is concerned, is a branch of mathematics which deals with expression that contain numbers and letters. So when we say numbers and letters, we mean, let's say, 5y, okay? So we have this one as letter and this one is number, okay? So we can have so many examples. Now 7x plus 5t, okay? So we have letters and we have numbers. So that is meant by algebraic expression. Now, without wasting much time, let's look at how to form algebraic expressions. All right, so to form algebraic expression, the following statements, okay, are very, very important. All right, so the first one has to do with x more than the number, okay. All right, so let's represent the number in question by n or k. So let n or k represent the unknown number, okay, or let k be the unknown number. So the first statement, it says x more than the number, okay. X is more than the number. So when we say x is more, okay, x is more, it means x, okay, is more than this. So that would be k plus x. Now always more than that, we just add, okay, just put plus in front of the variable, okay, in question, okay. So x more than the number is this. Now 2 more than the number, so 2 more, so 2 more plus 2 more than the number in it. We are saying k should be the unknown, so k plus 2. 7 more than the number, okay, that will be plus 7 to the unknown variable. So that's that. Now let's talk about the next one. That will be opposite. So x less than the number, okay. So I'll make it simple for you. Just look at the first one. So we have more than and this one less than, so that will be opposite. Remember, we are using k for the unknown, so x less than, so that will be minus x, okay, to the unknown. So this one is x less than the number. So 25 less than the number, that will be minus 25 to the unknown here, k. So we have k minus 25. That's the meaning of 25 less than the number. All right, now let's talk about the next one, okay. So the third one, okay. So the number decreased by t. So the number decreased by t is not different from less than, okay. So it is in the same line. So the number decreased, okay, by by t, it means it's down by that, and therefore it will be k minus t. At times they can say diminish by. When they say diminish by t, it's the same as this. Okay. Now let's look at the fourth one. Okay, the IV. So the number, okay, the number increased by p. So the number increased by p is not different from x more than. So more than is more or less increased by. So increased, and this one is decreased down by. So more than. So this one will be plus p to the given variable. So we have this information. Simple as that. All right. So the next one has to do with half the number. Half the number. So what is meant by half the number? So half the number means, so the number in question is k. So what is half? 1 over 2. So half the number means half times that. So half it. So it's the same as half of it. Okay. So half of it. That's the meaning. All right. Now let's talk about. Okay. So m times the number. This one is very simple. The number is k. So m times the number will be m times k, which is mk or km, whichever way. Okay. So as that, we can also say 2 times the number. That would be 2k. Twice the number, 2k. They are the same. Okay. All right. So try this one and let's see. So what is 10 more than the number? So you can put the answer under the comment section below. So 10 more. So that would be k plus 10. Okay. 10 more than the number, k plus 10. All right. Now, having gone through the formation of algebraic expression, let's look at how to simplify algebraic expression. So this one will send us to addition and subtraction. So we have addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So let's observe the following. 1. So we have 8m minus 4n plus 3m plus 10n. Okay. I. So let me bring the I here. 4x plus 8y minus 2x plus 7y. Okay, so let's observe the two. Remember, the idea of algebraic expression is just combination of numbers and letters. So situation like this, we have to go by grouping like terms. Okay, so we have to make sure those in the same color, okay, move to the same side, All right. Now, what I'm trying to say is that we have m here, we have m there, so we will group them. Okay, and we have n. Okay, that's that. So so that will be 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11m. And we have 10 minus 4. So 10n minus 4n, that will be 6. So plus 6n. So that's that. So we can't add this or subtract. So that's the answer. Let's look at the second one. So we have x. Okay. So that will be 4 minus 2. That will be 2x. Okay. And we have y family. 8 plus 7. That will be 15. So plus 15y. Y plus 15y, because the two numbers, when you put them together, okay, giving us positive number. So you have to write plus 15. Okay. Now try this one. 5m squared n plus 3m cubed minus 2m squared n minus 8m n cubed. That will be the third one. Okay, so to put them together, you have to be very careful. Okay, so make sure you group them. Okay, now we have m squared n. Okay, m squared n. So this one belongs to the same class. So that will be 5. Let's group them. 5 minus 2, that will be 3 m squared n. And let's see if we get another one. So this one is different, and this one too is different. So we just align them like that. Minus 8 m n cube plus 3 m cube. So from here, there is no way we can add them because the arrangements are not the same. Look at m squared n, and this one is m n cube, and we have m cube. All right. All right. So same thing. We have xy, xy. So 7 minus 8, that will be minus 1. So we have minus xy. Okay. Then we have 4n plus 8n. That will be 12n. So plus 12n. Now minus xy plus 12n is the same as 12n minus xy. All right, so this is the answer. So just take a piece of paper and let's try the following. Okay, so try the following. Okay, we have 7y squared minus 6x squared plus 3xy. Okay, 11x squared y minus 8mn minus 14x squared y, and we have xy plus 3y plus 7xy plus y. Okay, so go ahead and try the answers. So now the first one has to do with 7y squared minus 6x squared plus 3xy. So there's no like terms, so the answer remains the same. So that's the answer. 2. 11x squared y minus 8mn minus 14x squared y. So this one, we have this one here, this one there. So that will be 11 minus 14. That will be minus 3. So we have minus 3x squared y. Okay. And this one is only 1 minus 8mn. So you can mark it. And the last one, xy, we have xy, so that will be 8xy. You have y, 3y, so plus 4y. All right. Okay, so like the video and hit on the subscribe button for more exciting videos like this. So in our next lesson, we are going to consider how to multiply and divide, okay, algebraic expression. All right.